Viet Tiles breeze cement blocks, embracing the essence of green architecture. More than just a building material, Viet Tiles breeze cement blocks bring the breath of nature into every architectural design. With their distinctive hollow design, each handcrafted block allows for natural airflow, sunlight penetration, and adds an artistic highlight to your living space. Say goodbye to constant air conditioning and lighting, and enjoy natural comfort straight from your walls. A wide variety of patterns, from classic to contemporary, perfect for villas, townhouses, cafes, resorts, and more. Eco-friendly, non-fired, dust-free, and made from natural materials. Durable over time, meeting ASTM and TCVN standards for water absorption and compressive strength. At Viet Tiles, we don't just produce tiles, we create sustainable and aesthetic solutions for modern architecture. Ready to bring a touch of nature into your home? Message Viet Tiles today to explore our handcrafted breeze cement block collections tailored for your project.